My name is Kevin Moss, and I'm a cooker.
I'm Zach Goodwin, and I cook a little bit.
Alright. My name is Ty Afric, and I cook.
I'm Kyle, and I cook with Ty.
Kyle and Ty, they've been taking this whole thing very seriously this past week. And you know, me and Zach, we just learned we were doing it today. So what I predict is gonna happen, they're gonna choke under pressure.
Cutting lettuce is cutting the way to greatness.
Me and Ty, we're doing pretty good together. I mean, we both know what schmacks and what doesn't.
It's not going as we hoped, not gonna lie. Looking over at Kyle and Ty's, and you know, they're more experienced. I was just planning on being a judge today, and yeah, and Kevin, you know, he's doing all right, but I'm not contributing a ton. He's actually threatening me with a knife right now.
Freaking Kevin just took my salsa and put it in his own dish. That is sabotage, and he knows that is fire.
Here we go.
We're your judges, and yeah, we're gonna. Upon review, the winning team is Kyle and Ty.
Yes, sir.